Hi, beautiful day, sunny, hot. Sorry, we need water. Maybe even tequila. That would be better. We will talk today a little bit about planting a slope area. We have in here a ground cover called a LIPPIA. It's not very common. This LIPPIA ground cover is a ground cover that is very good for the slopes. Uh, it's an aggressive growth, need very little water, need very little maintenance, uh, not that much pruning, just we need to maintain the hedge, maintain all the around, just cutting just to stop the plant from growing in between the other plants, but practically that is all. By regulating the amount of water or the watering amount of water a week, we can also slow down the growth of the plant, and it's a drought tolerant plant. Then the next layer, the weed you can see in here, this is a Cistus, very drought tolerant plant material. It has a white flower. Then on the top, we have the bougainvilleas. This is a dwarf or a slow grow bougainvillea. That one is purple queen. It's a bougainvillea that we can keep it under control much easier than other varieties or other species. As you can see also, this the whole area is covered with the jute, and this jute is to hold the soil, to control the erosion for the next 2 years until the plant take off. And then now we have the soil protected by the foliage of the plant material. And also we are adding mulch, and this mulch, it will also help to keep the humidity on the soil, keep the humidity around the root system of the plant material, and it will help to control weeds. So because having the mulch now, we are going to avoid the direct contact of the radiation, sunlight radiation. Everything that we're doing here is thinking about saving water, wildlife habit, where several of the insects and birds will come around, taking advantage of the environment. Right, so we're thinking about that also, and also we're thinking about the flowers. Having a slope that will have nice color, a bit more attractive to the eyes.